Well, I really wanted to congratulate you for creating a new platform for a woman, Sita, and she's the real hero always. I love this. I mean, the kind of creation you have done. I think the mind behind is none other than is you, Swati. I'm giving the introduction. So, Swati, first, welcome. And I just wanted to know you've been involved in these kind of activities long back. So, is it like part two or relaunch on how it is the plan? What was this all about?
Yeah, we met few times earlier also when we started She Jobs. So you can say that this is extension of She Jobs because She Jobs is all about like women in technology and supporting women with career gaps to come back to work. And we were the first ones in the industry to advocate for mothers who have children with autism. So now, while I was doing She Jobs in USA and India, I used to get like a lot of messages from women who says like, "Hey, I'm good in tailoring, but do I have any platform?" Or "I'm good at painting, I'm good at tutoring." So some sort of like non-IT and kind of gig opportunity. So then I thought, okay, we have a need to create another platform for for the women who are trying to be entrepreneurs or who are trying to showcase their passion as skill as service or to showcase their products. So Sita is the platform
But
for
I
them.
just want to know why Sita? Like, Sita is like something that's connected to our heart, to our religion, Ram ki Sita. So, why it clicked to you and tell me the elaboration, how it's upgraded?
Because as you said, right, Sita is, she is the hero always, so it beautifully fits in everything, right? So even though I'm pretty spiritual, but again Sita don't want to dedicate it to particular religion. So I think we have all of us have Sita in one form or other, irrespective of the religion. Just like I said, we are the heroes in fact. So every woman has a hero within, and we need to work on to bring that outside.
I don't know. I mean, I know that all women are there who are skilled. It's a good apps for them. There are women who are not educated. They don't know how to use and get into that apps. They're not family and manual. How you get into that area?
Yeah, that's why, see, we have a vision of getting this into rural and urban areas. In fact, we wanted to bring those tasks, like Rangoli and things like that also to be there as part of our app. So that's why we have a dedicated WhatsApp number and customer support number where we help those women to be part of our platform, because we know our women are not going to be technically savvy. So we want to help them, on branding perspective and, leads perspective and all of that. So we will get there for sure.
So my next question comes like there are women who are physically, handicapped. We should not say. I mean, they're not. There are maybe some issues with them. Acid attackers, HIV, transgenders. So many variety of levels are there where they wanted to use this platform. They want to work. They have the skills. This platform will be used and create opportunities from them?
Definitely, we are going to evolve there. See, my heart goes out for them. I'm so empathetic towards such kind of people, because at some there is a lot to learn from them as well, right? So on a motivation perspective also, so we have so many online opportunities, which are going to be in our app. So there are some categories where they can put their services and promote online, so which is available for whole India, so from remote. So we have so many categories like that, and we are going to promote such categories and such kind of diversified population as well. So Sita is going to be for everybody, every woman.
It's free, no fees, nothing, because people always think, oh, we need to pay and then get the job. As every time, people think like that.
Yeah, it is free, completely free as of now. But going forward, we might. So it has to be win-win for everybody. So we will come up with such things. But as of now, it is completely free. So treat that as an infrastructure, a platform for you to get leads, and then showcase your services and products.
So I can ask you, what are the amazing jobs, which you don't get so easily outside, but in this platform they can get? You can name some of the good jobs.
Yes, so tutoring, every kid of for us, like that is the bigger challenge. So tutoring in various things, you can check the ratings and have your own tutoring opportunity, and then different kinds of food or different kinds of products, from particular region. So everything, all of it going to be in the same place.
So how many associations you have till now, She Jobs? And when Sita is working out, like everybody can go to the Play Store and upload it?
Exactly. So already it is live in iOS and Android. So Sita She Jobs is already available in iOS and Android store. So She Jobs is mainly for the technology. We have a lot of companies, Fortune 100 companies, who are associated with us on the tech jobs perspective. With Sita, today only we are launching, but irrespective of that, like we have few hundreds of partners already listed in our app.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
And today I heard like Sri Leela actress will be launching it. So Any other collaborations are there, and any other celebrities who have, I mean, especially the women one, whom you admire the most, and they should come up and speak about this, or who have wanted to eagerly collaborate, collaborate it with there. So, is any are there? You can share your experience on that.
See, when you say celebrity, right? In my view, every woman is a celebrity. So obviously, we want every woman to be part of this. And today, fortunately, we have most energetic and gorgeous Sri Leela coming, and then we have Honorable IT Minister of Telangana, Sridhar Babu Garu. He's coming and supporting. We have Indian film director Harish Shankar Garu. In fact, he named our company She Job, so he's there with us from the beginning. So he's coming, and Hanumanla Jansi Garu, Palakurti in charge. She's coming. And we have global, diversity head of Wipro. She's coming, Sarita Venkateshan. And then, yes, I wish this platform goes to every nook and corner. And then, the vision
It
is.
was a tough task for you to convey Sri Leela about this, and it has taken time for her to come up with this promotion.
No, actually, they are into a lot of charities already. So they do a lot of good activities. So she understood our concept and she immediately accepted.
So
Yeah.
what 3 message and 3 points you would like to end up by saying, please use these apps and come on, let's do that.
Yes. So, see, this app is for every woman. In my view, if I can become an entrepreneur, every woman can become an entrepreneur. So, figure out what skill you have, make your passion as a skill or service, and you might have some product which you would like to list in our app. Go list it and become an entrepreneur. Be financially independent.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.